Yeah, look like it's magic. Make it look like it's magic. Oh, you make it look like it's magic.
Got a few more parts for the box Chevy Landau swap. I got my coolant jug and my washer fluid jug. Also got a radiator cover on my paint. I'm gonna paint all three parts red. I think I'm just gonna leave the caps black. Just gonna clean them up a little bit. But our first step is washing these up. Getting all this oil and stuff off of it. Both jugs cleaned off pretty good. Now it's time to take some Scotch-Brite. I'm gonna be using this maroon Scotch-Brite 07447. Scuff up everything. You want to make sure everything good and sanded real good so the paint be able to stick to it. Got the radiator cover and the two jugs set up on my homemade stands. Now it's time to spray the adhesion promoter. I'm going to be spraying this TAMCO HP 2010 Top Dawg adhesion promoter. You want to spray this on raw plastic. Make sure the paint is thick. And I'm going to spray it on this chrome radiator cover too. I put 2 light coats of the Bulldog adhesion promoter by TAMCO. I'm gonna go ahead and prime it up now. I'm gonna be using the TAMCO primer also. It's the HP 5310 high build primer. base coat. It's from UreKem. It actually covered on the first coat. I just went on and put 2. It's time for the clear now. I ain't gonna put no high solid clear on these parts here. Just gonna be medium solid. Everything up under the hood, so I believe it'll work out.
Diamonds in my pinky ring, diamonds in my necklace, diamonds in my bracelet. I seen you tryna tell my wrist, gold frame, Gucci shade, custom made, pieces swing, multicolored diamonds glistening in both of my pieces.
I got 'em, 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 I